Assessment to support achievement.
Assessment of all children is so important if we are able to measure progress made, to find the starting point, to move them on at the right pace for those children. But all children are different, so one size doesn't necessarily fit all.
In PE, we assess whatever we can do. Social skills, health awareness, leadership, physical movements, sensory movements, to allow the young people to achieve in what area their strengths lie.
Success for children looks different. For example, we use the hula hoop practice. Some young children will go through with their whole bodies and they're quite agile. And we see a child with Junior Parkinson's with limited arm strength lifting both arms. That is really challenging, and it's just about giving children the freedom to show what they can do.